Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to change the theme of Google from dark, black mode to light, white mode. If you prefer a brighter, more traditional look for your Google homepage, this step-by-step guide will help you switch back to the white theme easily. Step 1. Open Google homepage. First, launch your web browser and go to the Google homepage at www.google.com. Step 2. Access Google settings. On the bottom right corner of the Google homepage, you'll see a gear icon, Gear. This is the settings menu. Click on it to open the settings options. Step 3. Click on Search Settings. Once the settings menu is open, you will see several options. Click on Search Settings to access the full settings page. Step 4. Change the theme. On the Search Settings page, scroll down to the section titled Theme. Here, you'll see two options. Light theme, the traditional white background with black text. Dark theme, the black background with white text. Select the light theme option to switch to the white background. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting the light theme, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Save button to confirm your changes. Step 6. Refresh your page. Once the settings have been saved, you can refresh the page or close and reopen your browser, and Google will now display in the white theme. That's it. You've successfully changed the Google theme from black to white. The next time you visit Google, it will have the bright, classic look. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.